Hey guys, my name is David Tenorio. I want to welcome you to my class on drawing the head. I'm going to be covering a lot of topics about the head, the ball and jaw method, specific tips for all the features. These videos are broken down into a lecture part where I'll go over some tips about a specific feature. We'll construct the head piece by piece, and then at the very end we'll put all those techniques together to make some completed drawings. So let's go ahead and check it out.